Welcome to my first grade friends. It's good to see you today. My name is Mrs. Potts, and I am a certified teacher in the state of Tennessee. Today we're going to talk about building numbers in math, and we're going to use a math tool called a Reckon Rec. It looks like this. You're going to notice that it has beads on the top that I can move and beads on the bottom that I can move. Now, you probably don't have a Reckon Rec at your house, but you may be able to make something similar using some things you have at your house. You could get a sheet of white paper and just draw a line at the top and a line toward the bottom. Your lines don't have to be straight. And on your lines, you could put things like Skittles, or you could use things like Cheerios, or goldfish, or anything that you might have. And if you want to build a Reckon Rec right now, you can go get your items. You will need 10 counters for the top and 10 counters for the bottom. And if you don't want to build a Reckon Rec, you don't have to. You can still learn with us today. I'm going to let you pause this video for just a few minutes and get your supplies. And when you're ready, unpause me and let's join in on the learning. Great. I see that you've got your things together and you are ready to work and to build numbers. So let's take a look at my Reckon Rec. I'm going to build the number 4, and I want you to watch me. I'm going to build the number 4 by putting 2 beads on the top and 2 beads on the bottom. That's 4. I can also build the number 4 in a different way. I can build the number 4 by putting 4 beads on the top and 0 beads on the bottom. Is there another way I could build the number 4? Yes, DJ, I can build the number 4 by putting 3 beads on the top and 1 bead on the bottom. That's great. Now, let's practice with a higher number. Let's try the number 7. How would you build the number 7? Jody, you said you would build the number 7 by putting 4 beads on the top and 3 beads on the bottom. That is making the number 7. Great job, Jody. Is there another way to make the number 7? What do you think, Dolores? Oh, okay, you want to put 5 beads on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 beads on the bottom. Did Dolores build the number 7? Give me an okay. Yes, I'm seeing a lot of okays. She built the number 7. Is there another way to build a number 7? Yes, we can do that. Great thinking, Andre. Andre said, let's put 6 counters at the top. 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many would go at the bottom, Andre? 1. That's right. Andre built the number 7. Is there another way we could build the number 7? Oh, Emma has an idea. What's your idea, Emma? 7 at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many would we put at the bottom, Emma? None, right? No, we wouldn't put any on the bottom. 0, because we have 7 at the top. Does anyone have one more way to build the number 7? Rondalyn? Rondalyn said we could put 7 on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We could put 7 on the bottom. And how many would go on the top, Rondalyn? 0. Yes, 0 would go on the top. We have 7 on the bottom and none on the top. Okay, let's play a game. I am going to build a number and I want you to tell me what you think my secret number is. So I am going to build the number 10. Build my number, and I want you to tell me how many you think I have on the top and how many you think I have on the bottom. You can build yours if you'd like to, if you have your Rec and Rec or your counters. Okay, Andre, what do you think? Oh, Andre said I have 2 on the top and 8 on the bottom. That's a good way, Andre, to build the number 10, but it's not my way. What do you think, George? Oh, George says he built the number 10 by putting 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom. That's another good way, but it's not my way. Any other guesses? What do you think, Katie? Katie said she built the number 10 by putting 6 counters on the top and 4 counters on the bottom. Katie, that's another really good way to build the number 10, but it's not my way. Let's do it one more time. Keisha, oh, you think I have 3 on the top and 7 on the bottom. That's a good way, but it's still not my way. Do you want to know my way of building the number 10? Let's take a look at my Rec and Rec. That's right. I have 4 on the top and 6 on the bottom. Give me a you agree. Anybody agree? Yes. Yes, that's the way to build 10. Did anybody else build their number 10 the same way? Oh, Jody, you built the number 10 just like me? Great. Okay. Joshua said he built it a little differently. He had 6 on the top and 4 on the bottom. You guys did a great job building the number 10. Let's build another number together. Let's build the number 8. Let's think of lots of different ways to build the number 8. Okay, who has an idea? Rondalyn, you want to build the number 8 by putting 4 beads at the top and 4 beads at the bottom. Rondalyn, you built the number 8. Great job. Did anyone else build the number 8 that way? Emma, you built the number 8 that way? Did anybody build it in a different way? Okay, LeBron, how did you build the number 8? Let's put them all back to the side. LeBron built the number 8 by putting 2 beads at the top and 6 beads in the bottom. Did I build the number 8? How would you know? Can we count them? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, I built the number 8. LeBron built the number 8 that way. Good thinking, LeBron. Did anybody build the number 8 in a different way? Andre, how did you build the number 8? Andre said he built the number 8 by putting 5 at the top and 3 at the bottom. Did I build the number 8? No, I made a mistake in my counting, didn't I? Let's go back and count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I had 1 too many beads. Let's move that over there. So now I have 5 at the top and 3 on the bottom, and I have built the number 8. Let's try another number. What number would you guys like to try? You want to build an even bigger number? Let's do 9. Okay, let's do the number 9. We can build the number 9 in lots of ways. So let's ask our friend, what about you, Sarah? I see you with us today. How would you build the number 9, Sarah? Okay, Sarah told me to put 4 beads on the top. Sarah, if I put 4 beads on the top, how many beads would I need to put on the bottom to build the number 9? 5? Let's try it. We have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did we build the number 9? We did. Give me a high five. Good job. We did. We have 4 beads on the top and 5 beads on the bottom. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We built the number 9. Great job. Let's try another way. Who has another way of building the number 9? All right, Emma, how do you want to build the number 9? You want to put 3 on the top. 1, 2, 3. And how many will we put on the bottom, Emma? Emma's not sure, so let's try it together. Let's count with Emma to see how many beads we would put on the bottom. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many beads did we add to the bottom, Emma? We added 6 beads on the bottom. Did we build the number 9? Yes, we did. We have 3 beads on the top and 6 beads on the bottom, and we have built the number 9. Great job. Is there another way to build the number 9? Can you think of one more way at least? What do you think, Jody? We can build the number 9 another way. That's right. Jody wants us to put 7 beads on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many beads would we need to go on the bottom, Jody? Jody says we need 2 more beads to build the number 9. So Jody thinks we can build the number 9 by putting 7 beads on the top and 2 beads on the bottom. Let's check to make sure we're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did we make the number 9? Yes, we made the number 9. Thanks, Jody, for helping us make the number 9. What's another way we could make this number 9? Jose? Jose wants to flip it upside down, and you want to put 2 beads on the top and 7 beads on the bottom. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did we make the number 9? Let's check. Let's count to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did we make the number 9? Yes, we made the number 9. I can think of one more way to make the number 9. Can you think of another way? Tamara. Tamara says we can put 9 beads on the top. Let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many beads would we put on the bottom, Tamara? None? That would be right. Did we make the number 9? Yes, we made the number 9 by putting 9 beads on the top and 0 beads on the bottom. That's exactly right, Jose. We could do the opposite. We could put 0 beads on the top and put 9 beads on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did we make the number 9? Yes, we did. We made the number 9 by having 0 on the top and 9 on the bottom. You guys did a great job of making numbers today using our Reckon Rack. I can't wait to see you again tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
Guess what? It's reading day. Today we are going to read Quack and Count. Let's get started. Quack and Count. 7 ducklings in a row. Count those ducklings as they go. Slipping, sliding, having fun. 7 ducklings, 6 plus 1. 7 ducklings, 5 plus 2, playing games of peekaboo. Chasing busy bumblebees, 7 ducklings, 4 plus 3. 7 ducklings, 3 plus 4, quack, quack, quacking on the shore. Splishing as they leap and dive, 7 ducklings, 2 plus 5. 7 ducklings, 1 plus 6, in the water playing tricks. Paddling, flapping, reaching high, 7 ducklings start to fly. Up and up into the sky, goodbye, ducks. Goodbye, goodbye. It was such a good story. Did you hear lots of numbers in our story? I did too. I think we should go back and let's check. They gave us lots of ways to think about 7. Maybe we should check and make sure they didn't make any mistakes in the story. What do you think? Let's do it. All right, let's go back to the beginning. All right, at the beginning, it says 7 ducklings in a row. There are 7 ducklings. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ducklings. Okay, let's go. What was the next page? What did it say? Let's remember. Oh, they were slipping, sliding, that they were having lots of fun. And it said 7 ducklings is 6 plus 1. Let's see. So if we rearrange our ducks so we have 6, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, what's that? You're right. Those kind of look like our dots from the dot game we've been playing, but they're ducks. That is super smart. Okay, we have 6 plus 1. So it said slipping, sliding, having fun. 7 ducklings is 6 and 1. Have we seen this before in our dots? We sure have. So if we count them, let's count and make sure that 6 and 1 is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It sure is. Oh, that is so cool. So what we've been doing with the dot game and our story, they kind of match. That is super cool. Okay, let's go to the next page. The next page was 7 ducklings, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 2, 1, 2. Playing games of peekaboo. Should we count and make sure it's 7? Okay, let's do it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There sure are 7. 5 and 2 gives us 7, which is what we've been doing with our dots, and it matches the story. That is so cool. Okay, let's go to our next page. What did the next page read? It read, chasing bumblebees, 7 ducklings, 4 plus 3. All right, 4 and 3. Do we believe them? Is that 7? You think it is? You think we've done 4 and 3 when we've been doing the dot game with 7? Let's count them and check. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3 gave us 7 ducklings, just like it gives us 7 in the dot game. That is so awesome. Okay, let's turn the page. 7 ducklings, 3 plus 4. Oh, what's that? You're right. That is so smart. This looks just like the slide we just did, except instead of having 4 and then 3, it has 3 and then 4. Should it still be 7? Who can tell me why it might be 7? That is super smart. It is 7 because we didn't add any ducks and we didn't take any ducks away. They're just in a slightly different place. And if all we do is change the place of the ducks, just like all we do sometimes is change the place of the dots, the number of ducks isn't going to change and it should still be 7. Let's check. Let's count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ducks. Very cool. Okay, let's read the next page. The next page was splashing as they leap and dive, 7 ducklings, 2 plus 5. That's right. It's the screen from a minute ago flipped around, so it should still be 7. So let's count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 7 ducks. It seems like this story knows what it's talking about when it comes to ducklings. All right. 7 ducklings, 1 plus 6 in the water playing tricks. All right, let's check. 1 and then 6. Is that going to be 7? You think so? I think you're right. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 and 6 definitely makes 7. Super fantastic. And then at the end, remember the ducks flew away. Thank you so much for helping me check our story today. You know what? I'm not sure we're going to do the dot game today because I think we just did it, didn't we? That's right. We did the dot game, but we did it with ducks to check the story. So that is super cool. I feel like we're pretty warmed up, but what do we always do to warm up our brains? That's right. We count. Are you ready to warm your brains up? All right. We're ready to get started. So we have counted to 30. And then 40, and then 50, and then 60. So what do you think we're going to count to this week? That's right. We're going to count to 70. Are we ready? Remember, I say the number, then you say the number. Are we ready to count to 70? All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Whew, we made it all the way to 70. That is super fantastic work. I am so proud of you guys.